In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to register for an account on massrefunds.com. Click on the registration link. The registration is a three-step process. In the first step, you need to fill out the registration form, which is very similar to any other website. The only thing to keep in mind here is the PayPal email address field here. In this field, you should provide the PayPal email address that you're going to be using to do the refunds, and that will also function as your username for massrefunds.com. And the other email field that we collect is the contact email. This email could be the same as the PayPal email address, or it could be any other email address where you want to receive communications from Mass Refunds for confirmations on the registration and any other communications in the future. So the first step is straightforward. Just fill out the registration form, and if there's any errors, you'll be prompted to correct them. In the second step, is she's in the screen here. You click on the subscribe button, which takes you to a page which is hosted on PayPal.com. You're going to be asked to complete a trial subscription. It's a 15 days trial. There's no charge for it, and you get to use the features for free. And then if you're satisfied, you continue with the subscription, or you can choose to cancel it. So in this step, you're basically going to log in to your PayPal account, and rest assured you're not providing the password to us, because you're logging in to your PayPal account, and this page is hosted on paypal.com, as can be seen here. So you log in here, and then you basically are going to agree to a subscription which is free for the first 15 days and then $19.99 per month. There is no long-term contracts. We bill you in advance for each month after the trial subscription, and you can cancel it anytime, and there is no penalties. So once you finish that second step, which is the subscription, you will be given a link to click on, which will take you to the last step of the subscription. And I can show you what you'll be doing in that third step. You'll basically be going back to your PayPal account, and you will be giving Mass Refunds the permissions to issue refunds on your behalf. The way the service works is we use the technologies provided by PayPal behind the scenes from our website, and when you use the massrefunds.com to issue refunds from it basically issues the refunds on your behalf. So in order for you to do that, you need to give us permissions to issue refunds. So the way to do that is click on your profile and go to more options, and it looks like I was logged out, so I'm going to log back in. So once you click on profile and more options, you get this profile summary page. On the three columns under the account information on the left, you see a link in the middle here called API access. Just click on that link, and you'll be given this page here. This basically allows PayPal software to communicate with your account. There's two options here. You basically need to look at the option 1, add or edit API permissions. And if you've already given permissions, you might see something like this, or you can add a new permission. And in your case, you will be adding a new permission, and you will be giving the API account username, which we will tell you what to provide there. And then you will be using the custom option here, and basically select refund transaction, get transaction details, transaction search. Those are the minimum things. These are to issue the refund, get the details of each transaction, do a search, and then if you want to view your balance on the PayPal account, you might want to give us the permissions to do get balance. And there was one more to do Mass Pay, and they've added a lot more permissions since I've last looked at it. But in essence, you'll be giving us these permissions here, 4 permissions at least. And once you submit, we will have the permissions, and we can issue refunds on your behalf. So those would be the 3-step process. Now let's talk a little bit about the pricing. As I mentioned, it's $19.99 per month. It's a 15 days trial, and there's no contracts. You can cancel it anytime. If you're going on vacation, if you're not going to be using the service, you can cancel the subscription simply by logging into your Master Refunds account and clicking on this link here. You can also obviously cancel by going into the PayPal account directly and canceling from there. And then if you want to reactivate the subscription, you will log back into your Master Refunds account and you just follow the steps and you can reactivate your account as well. So it's pretty simple and straightforward to use. And the reason we give the 15 days trial is we want you to try it out to see what functionality is supported in masterrefunds.com. Thank you.